That was very loud. Everybody good? When I don't know today at the hiking day, we are go up a Blue Mountain, you see me? I wait for the rest of the squad forward. Baby girl now come with me. She don't want to go up on the mountain, go face the hard life. So, excuse me. I wait for my bridge and them, a friend them, say how them reach a town, and then we are going to get picked up. And the journey begins. You see me? Follow Black Remy.
Turn around from where you are, come back and turn left. We're waiting on you. You never see when you turn.
So we just start with journey and basically, you know.
Calvin them last already.
Using Google Map. That's what I'm telling you, you know, don't use Google, see? Google don't know nothing.
And the Benz boy.
I use the regular method, you know? If you don't know, you just ask the people.
Here you go. Can't go wrong.
Easy. Easy one. Hurry on over here, so yeah. So we reached the first destination, first stop of the journey.
It's a girl that walks, you know, out of a church, you know?
I got to stop at Mavis Bank police station. I know the footage before probably shaky, but I know a Jamaican road, they say they turn up, and then road no good move while I'm basic.
Sure, yeah.
So now we see some better scenic views when we stop. You see me?
Yeah? How we top up? You have 90? 87, still right. All vehicle.
So you have to get gas, you see what I say? Up in them parts, no gas station not really there. So you have to know the link. Link roll out with 2 gallon and pour it in there with a funnel. Life this up here, so. Mavis Bank, Cliff Twang place. Look right this one, brother. Rotted matches boxing man have. If anything, if he goes along and he never rate all this man in a green shot. Eh? But I show the name what them killer people them in some weird way. Final destination. So I write for film shot, final cut.
No, I told you to stop at the gas station there.
How them go on like say Instagram that them place here? I want to no man go easy man. So we have Chris here, so what you know? You see everybody here. You see me? Sarah.
I'm supposed to charge you.
Julie.
For feature me.
Charge your blood. We have Sherry here.
Kevin, you left them thing here?
Kyle. Orion.
You left them thing here?
Oh yeah.
You left them?
No, me not left them. We're Eddie.
Where they say here?
No, me not left them.
Eddie in the most chat.
Come over here, look man, I want Eddie.
Jeez
on peace.
On the side.
Let's Lego in our place so. And then we have Eddie, you see me? Eddie, turn on your face man. Alright, go and look at bush. You don't know nothing about me and my belt here. The relationship between us, you won't understand.
Chicken Back Festival.
I go on the gram, you see me? Straight on the gram. I want to look at door seat. I can get a door seat. Ah, thanks. Oh yo! We're up on the second leg of the journey, you know, you see me? We get a bus ride.
How many legs? You have to say
about 3 hours.
Yeah, zoom in for your eye.
Yeah.
No. Yeah, talk about no.
Yeah, so second leg. Bus ride.
I don't have any emotion.
What we have to go up to this?
Whitfield Hall.
Whitfield Hall at the next stop. Just go and enjoy the seats. When we can capture, I don't know what to say. Yeah? Man, will it tight, you freak. Hey, now we keep going, sir. Yeah, me I say government, you don't need to fix the road for me, every bank people, you know. Look on this, what this, man? I wrote this. You know, if you fix up the road for your people, them. $8 million on a phone call and the people them on the road. And what this? A joke. People, I saw the hill set. The hill set so. I saw where I go up the hill. The hill straight so. What kind of hill this? Bongo stone. I was looking through the camera.
It does too far.
Oh Jesus.
Just stick the camera outside and you don't at all.
Poor place this. Reach on one place over one part. Alright, we reach now at the cabin them where we are going to stay. I think somewhere up so we are go. I'm doing our preps.
We go walk on it for the way.
And then we go over there so.
That cloud thing there.
Over there miss. Where snowfall.
So this is a tree where Andrew Warner said his mother usually give me eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus trees. Eucalyptus.
God damn it. I'll chimney there for them place, you know.
Got it going, yeah, it's going up. Said I get it going, now it's going up. Know that you ain't going, unless you one of us. Why the fuck?
Don't like this, you know? The place look green, the air clean. What time you have to get out of Babylon? Up in the mountains with there now.
All my moves planned, fuck your trips to the islands. This a long road, why you tripping about the mileage? I be hands on it, tapping out with a stylist. Sip too much whiskey, need some balance. Breaking habits, I be working
I'll go on cheap. You say Batan? Smart.
Ow, sorry, it's a mosquito.
Breaking habits, I be working while I'm chilling. Share the same ceiling, but you not the one building. All the talk, this ain't appealing.
A big all type thing, yeah. But the rooms are box. But this is the big all.
Everton, you have a garbage bin in here?
Yeah, on the outside.
So I just carry weight like a Benz truck. I just stay awake till the sun's up.
Question. Is there electricity? Wait, who has a power bank? Wait. Edine, what we are going to do? Stop talking. I'm at less than... Wait there. Oh, you think you're funny?
No electricity now up here, Virgin. My camera there for 1%.
Oh my God, let me text my man. Right quick.
I do, we do.
Some Gatorade with some clear stuff. Used to know the date, now I just wake up. This the type of shit that I can make up. Mr. OG with some jack and now you thought you knew me.
I might believe this on the table. It's seen some rough days. Seem like it's been a big door. Whipping force.
Yeah, people, we rich. Me they tell them that already. Yo, I kinda like up here still, you know. If you ask me, I live up here. Yeah, me I say government. When I big problem, them kinda up here, so no need to fix the roads. See? Yeah, me I tell you, no, the road for come out them place here, for fix up. But I wait till further down. Anything we say tourist attraction, the roads for reach us so for 100%. And we have the people them in the community them will live around us, so we should have fix up the place long time. Oh, no, do man. Hold on, there's some dust upon the lens. You know where that dust they come from? Off of the dirt trail where we have to drive on come up here. Cause on the road, a dirt trail, a good thing the driver ski. If you kind of suck in, look like fresh shit. Kingston, I be a shit hero.
Hey,
Yo, tell me if you know favor Braxton from Jamie Foxx.
Braxton, who's that?
Who is Braxton? Yo, brother, nigga! My younger brother. Named
Well,
Kyle.
we can find a place to charge. No, wait. They're saying it's a place we can go to charge our phone.
It was somewhere over that side.
Yeah, you want to follow me?
I'm assuming. Huh?
you want
Nah, bro. Nah.
Back get back to punching, now I'm snoozing, back to fooling. When I get back, you faggots back to losing. I said I knew it way back and then I went and got it going. Yeah, it's going up, said I get it going. Now it's going up, know that you ain't going. Unless you one of us, why the fuck you think? Shit be going up, sipping on the, now I'm going up, feel like I just
Do it for the love, me not do it for the likes. Do it for the love, me not do it for the... What you say? No, tell me again. Turn around, bro.
Can you go away?
Turn around.
There are several people.
It's easy. All you have to do is turn around. I say turn around.
I hope your battery dies.
I hope you turn around.
Like,
Shit.
not going to happen.
God damn it.
Oh my god.
Turn around, bro.
Guy.
Come on. Eddie.
read the bottom. No idea about a beat is where I went from. Weekends filled up just to finish up the next one. About my business, we ain't talking less, it's about growing. While you staring, you can see where all these steps going.